Good morning students. In previous class we recall the concepts you already learnt in class 6. Today we discuss about the chapter simple equations. You already know that equation. What is equation? Equations. The expressions consists equality sign. Those are called equations. The expressions consists equality sign. You already know that. What is the equality symbol? This is the equality symbol. Those are called equations. For example, 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. In this equation, equality symbol is there. Left side to this equality sign, this is the LHS of the equation. LHS means, this is LHS means left hand side. That means left and side. Right side to this equality sign, this expression is called RHS. RHS means right hand side. Right hand side. You already know that 65 and 5 are the constant terms, x is the variable term and 4 is the coefficient of x. You already learned in class 6th. Here LHS is 65, RHS is equal to 4x plus 5. If you interchange these two terms, again this equation is same. We can write 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. In another form also, that is 4x plus 5, that is equal to 65. Both are giving same equations, but LHS side and RHS sides are interchanging only. This is also same as 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. Both are the same equations, but RHS and LHS are the interchanging. Okay. Now, for example, some algebraic expressions consists other than this equality sign. Those are called non-equations. For example, consider same equation. I will consider 4x plus 5 greater than 65. It is not a equation because it does not have any equality sign. Here they are given that, what is this? Greater than. Therefore it is not a equation. Another example, I will take same algebraic expressions. 4x plus 5 less than 65. Less than 65. In this expression, there is no equality sign. Just here less than symbol is there. This is called less than. Therefore, it is also not a equations. Okay. Now, in this class, we can discuss about for changing the statements into equation form. For example, I will take one example. First one, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Just read this statement. They are given the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. In this statement, x is the variable, 11 and 32 are the constant terms. Sum means addition of those two numbers. Okay, just this is x, then 3 times of x is 3 into x, that is equal to 3x. Now consider 3 times x is 3 into x, that is equal to 3x. Sum means addition of 3 times of x and 11, that becomes the sum of 3 times x and 11 is, sum means addition, 3 times of x is 3x and plus 11, sum of these two numbers, that is equal to 3x plus 11, that is equal to 32. The sum is what they are given, the sum is equal to 32 they are given. Therefore the equation is 3x plus 7 is equal to 32. 3x plus 11, that is equal to 32. Now we can convert the statement into equation form. Can you understand? Okay, I will go for another example. If second one, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. In this statement, they do not give any unknown number, just they are given a number. We can consider unknown numbers by English small letters x, y, z, etc. As your wish, you can take any variable. I will consider first 6 times a number. We don't know the number, therefore it is unknown number. Unknown numbers are represented by variables. Variables are represented by English small letters. Let us consider a number b x. Let us consider a number b x What they are given? If you subtract 5 from 6 times of a number be x, then 6 times of number is 6x. Bx, then 6 times of a number is 6x. 6 times of a number is 6x. We can subtract 5 from 6 times a number. Subtract 5 from 6 times a number is, we can subtract 5 from 6x is 6x minus 5. 6x minus 5. You get means it is equal to which one? You get 6 means that is equal to 7. Therefore the equation is 6x minus 5, that is equal to 7. 6x minus 5 is equal to 7. This is the equation form of this statement. Okay. Now I will take another example. One fourth of m is 3 more than 7. 1/4 of m is more than 7. Here they are already given the variable m. Variable is m. Then 1/4 of m is 1/4 solution. 1/4 of m is 1/4 means m by 4. M into 1/4, that is equal to m by 4. Is 3 more than 7. It is greater than, that means it is greater than 7. It is greater than 7. It means it is greater than 7. By which one? By 3. By 3. This means the difference is difference means, which is the difference? M by 4 minus 3, that is equal to 7. Difference m by 4 minus 7 is the difference. M by 4 minus 7 is which one? 3. Therefore the equation is m by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. M by 4 minus 7, that is equal to 3. This is the equation form of this statement. I will consider another one statement. fourth one, one third, of a number plus 5 is 8. Plus 5 is 8. In this statement, very simple, one third of a number. Here also they don't know, they don't give the number. That is means they are given unknown numbers. Unknowns are called variables. You can take as your wish any variable. Let us consider a number is number b. Y, Z, anything you want, you can take number b, Z. I will take that number will Z. Then 1/3 of a number is Z/3. 1/3 of a number is Z/3. And they what they are given? 1/3 of a number. That means Z/3 plus 5. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is, that means Z/3 plus 5. It is equal to 8. It is equal to 8. Therefore the equation is Z/3 plus 5 is equal to which number? That is called 8. Z/3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. In this class we are learned how to convert statements into equation form. In next class we can discuss how to convert equations into statements. Okay students.